my friends, Miss Jill here again. Are you having a great day? I'm having a pretty good day. The sun is shining. I'm a little dirty because I've been gardening all day, but that's okay because we can take a bath or a shower before we go to bed at night, so it's okay that I'm a little dirty. I also went on a little search outside and I have some things to show you. Are you ready? Okay, let's start. So I have 2 leaves. I have a pen and a pencil. I have 2 acorns, 2 rocks, and 2 sticks. Now, why do I have all of these things on my desk? I've noticed that there's 2 of everything. 1 is small and 1 is big. I also have a pan and it's filled with water. Why do you think I have a pan filled with water and all of these things right here? What do you think we're going to do with them? Do you think we're going to put all of this inside of the water? You're right. Okay, my friends, so I have a teeny tiny pine cone and then I have a pine cone that's bigger. So I have a small one and a bigger one. And I want to know, which one do you think will float? Do you think the big one will float? Or do you think the tiny one will float? Or maybe neither of them will float? All right, let's try it out. Both of them are floating. Now what happens if I push it down? Do you think that if I push it down it will sink to the bottom? Or do you think it will keep floating? All right, let's see. Nope, it's still floating. Okay, what's next? I have 2 rocks. 1 is tiny and 1 is bigger. Now they're both rocks, but 1 is a little bit bigger than the other one, huh? Which rock do you think will float? Do you think the little rock will float because it weighs less? Or do you think the big rock will float? Maybe both of them will float. Maybe neither of them will float. Let's try it out. Both of our rocks sank. It didn't matter if it was little or big, they both sank because they're so heavy and they're very dense. What should we pick next? Should we try the sticks? Should we try the pen and the pencil? Or should we try the leaves? I think we should try the sticks next. Okay, so I have this stick which has 1, 2, 3 little arms on it, and it's pretty thin. But then I have this stick and it's a little bit thicker, right? It's a little bit thicker, wider. Which stick do you think will float and which stick do you think will sink? Maybe this one will sink because it's thicker. Does that mean it's heavier? Or maybe this one will sink because it has more arms. Let's try it out. My friends, they are both floating. Next, we're going to try some leaves. I have a big leaf here and it's green and purple. It came off of one of my flowers. And then I have a little leaf here and it's also green and purple, but it's just a lot tinier. Now, which leaf do you think is going to sink? Maybe the big leaf will sink because it will be heavier? Or maybe the little leaf will sink? Do you want to see which one? Okay, let's try. I'm going to put the big one in first. My friends, both of them are floating. It doesn't matter if it was big or small, they're both floating. Now our last experiment is with our pencil and our pen. Now, I know they're different, but they both write. You can write your name or your alphabet with both of them. So I wanted to see, does the pen sink or does the pencil sink? Which one do you think is going to float? The pen or the pencil? Let's see. The pencil's floating, and the pen is sinking. It's floating a little bit, but it's starting to sink. I wonder why the pen is sinking, but the pencil is floating. That's something to think about. I hope you had so much fun learning about what sinks and what floats. I just had a few questions. Why do you think that it didn't matter if it was big or small, that it was still floating? Why do you think the rocks sank, but the sticks were still floating? Maybe you can find some stuff outside or around the house and fill up a bucket of water or a bowl of water and see what floats and what sinks, and you can try your own little experiment at home with Mom and Dad. I miss you all so much. I hope you had so much fun with this video. Maybe you and Mommy and Daddy can try this at home and take some pictures, and then I can see what sank and what floated. I would love to learn some more from you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and stay happy and stay healthy, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.